Feeling overwhelmed by digital clutter? Not for long. Today, we're gonna jump into the ultimate Canva guide for perfect organization. I've got 17 tips as well as folder tricks and secrets to decluttering your digital Canva space. So get ready to transform chaos into a beautiful, organized Canva haven. On this channel, you will learn about various tools and skills you need to make money online. First tip we have is to create folders. And the next tip is to organize designs into folders. So you can open the design you want to organize. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the design thumbnail. Then choose Move to Folder and select the appropriate folder. Next, you can use search and filter. So you can utilize the search bar to find specific designs by their names or keywords. You can filter designs by example, documents, social media, logos. So you can use that to narrow down your search. Another tip is to delete unused designs. Periodically, review your designs and delete any unused or unnecessary ones to declutter your workspace. So guys, if you are getting value from this, please subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to dive deep with these videos, okay? So next we have manage uploads. So guys, we know uploads can be a problem. So uploads can also be organized into folders by clicking on uploads on the left panel and creating folders as needed. So you can drag and drop folders into specific folders for better organization. So next we have naming convention. Basically, use consistent and descriptive names for your designs to easily identify them later. And next we have collaboration and sharing. So you can use the share button to collaborate with others and keep track of shared designs through the shared with me section. It's there for a reason, so let's use it. Next, we have version control. So you can create versions of your design if you make frequent changes. So you can use clear naming conventions, for example, version 1, version 2, final, etc. Or you can use dates to differentiate the difference between the versions. Another tip is use template designs. So basically, save frequently used designs as templates. So this will help maintain consistency across projects and save time with starting with a base design. Okay, so next we have color palettes and brand kits. So you can use Canva's brand kit feature to store brand colors, fonts, logos, and any other elements. So this ensures consistency and quick access to brand assets. Next we have tagging and keywords. You can utilize tags and keywords for designs. So Canva allows you to add tags to designs, making it easier to search for specific project later. So next we have collaboration tools. So you really need to take advantage of Canva's collaboration features by inviting team members to work on designs. Okay, so you can use comments and version history to keep track of changes and discussions. And another tip is to regularly clean up. So periodically review and declutter your folders. Remove or archive designs that are no longer needed or outdated to keep your workspace tidy, right? So next we have file formats. So you consider the different file formats you might need for your designs. Example, PNG, JPEG, PDF. You can organize these formats within respective folders or label them clearly. So next you can use design types. So Canva offers various design types like presentations, social media graphics, documents, etc. So you can use these categories to sort and filter your designs effectively. So next we have Workspace Customization. So you can customize your Canva workspace by rearranging elements according to your workflow. So you can pin frequently used folders or tools for quicker access. Next we have backup and sync. So You can back up your important designs regularly or syncing them with cloud storage. So services like Google Drive or Dropbox can help you get that done. You've now mastered the art of organizing your Canva workspace like a pro. So remember, folders are your best friends. So create and organize them to your heart's content. Utilize search, filters, and the power of deletion to keep things neat. If these tips rock your organizational world, don't forget to hit subscribe for more Canva magic. One of my favorite ways to use Canva is to create short videos. So if you want to know how to do that, then look at this video right here. Until next time, stay organized and keep creating those amazing designs, guys.